Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your practice and thought, I'm busy, I have clients, I'm doing everything right. So why does my income still feel unpredictable? Some months are great, some months are slow, and no matter how experienced you are, that pattern never fully disappears. That's not a client problem, that's a system problem. Here's what most accountants don't realize. You can have steady work, good clients, strong skills, and still feel like your business is out of your control. Why? Because most practices run on referrals, incoming requests, seasonal demand, reactive work. Let me simplify that. Your revenue depends on when things happen, not how things are designed. And when your business depends on timing, it will always feel unpredictable. Real life example. I spoke to a consultant recently. They had consistent referrals, a full calendar, years of experience, but they told me, I still don't feel in control. When we looked closer, clients came in randomly. Conversations had no structure. Follow-ups were inconsistent. Nothing was broken, but nothing was controlled. Key insight. 1, you don't have a client problem. Here's the first shift. Most accountants don't need more clients. They need better control over the ones they already have. Because think about this. If your clients come from referrals, random messages, word of mouth, you don't control when they arrive who they are, how serious they are, so your results fluctuate. Example, a freelancer I worked with had 15, 20 inquiries per month. Sounds great, right? But most didn't convert. Many wasted time. Some weren't a fit. We didn't increase leads. We improved how leads were handled. Result? Fewer inquiries, more revenue, insight. More leads don't fix inconsistency. Better structure does. Key insight 2, your business is reactive, and that's the real issue. Most professionals don't realize this. Their business is reactive by design. What does that mean? Clients reach out, you respond. Ask questions, you answer. Decide or disappear. At no point are you guiding the process. You're participating in it. Example, an online seller had strong demand. Messages came in daily, but sales were inconsistent. Why? Because every conversation was different. No clear next step, no structure. Once we added a simple flow, inquiry, structured response, defined next step, sales became consistent. Insight. If you don't control the process, you don't control the outcome. Key insight 3, structure doesn't mean complexity. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They hear system and think the complicated, time-consuming, technical. That's not what this is. Structure simply means knowing what happens next every time instead of guessing, reacting, figuring it out. You define how clients enter, how conversations flow, how decisions happen. Example, a retail business owner did one thing. They stopped answering every message differently. They created a simple response structure, a clear next step. That alone reduced confusion, increased conversions, saved time. Insight, structure simplifies your business. It doesn't complicate it. Key insight 4, you're losing revenue after the conversation. This is one of the biggest hidden problems. You have good conversations, interested clients, and then nothing happens. Why? Because there's no follow-through. Example, a tradesperson told me, I talk to people, but many don't move forward. We looked at what happened after the call. Nothing. No follow-up. No next step. We added a simple 3-step follow-up. A check-in. Clarify. So say, result, more conversions. Same leads. Insight, most revenue is lost after the conversation, not before it. So if we simplify everything, there are a few key areas that matter. How clients enter, how conversations are handled, how decisions are guided, what happens after. Most businesses don't have clarity in these areas, and that's why results feel inconsistent. But once you start improving even one of these, you begin to see better clients, clearer conversations, more predictable outcomes. Let's summarize this simply. If your business feels unpredictable, it's not because you need more clients, you need more effort, you need better tools. It's because your business is not structured for predictability. Once you introduce structure, things become clearer, decisions become easier, revenue becomes more stable, not perfect, but controlled. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this makes sense, but where do I start? I've put together something simple for you. A short checklist that shows where your business is leaking revenue, what's causing inconsistency, what to fix first. It's quick, practical, and easy to go through. You can download it using the link in the description. Start there. Don't try to fix everything. Just get clarity first. Because once you see where the problem is, fixing it becomes much easier. Check the link in the description to download the free checklist.